Coco, I swear, if you get out of this
The
grass.
second she sees, look at that baby dog.
Where?
The second she, right there.
That's squirrels. Those are squirrels.
Baby dog, Biddy.
I'm not dumb, Jalen.
There's another baby dog over there. Jordan.
What?
There's another baby dog over there.
Where?
Right there.
Right here. Even though we know that baby dog.
Recording everything.
Because I haven't posted on my channel in a while. Run. What are you eating? What are you eating, Coco? What are you eating? I can't even see what I'm recording right now, but I know I'm recording.
On. Stop being gluttonous and eating.
Look, she's trying to eat that chicken wing.
You
She don't know
sick.
what the heck is in those chicken wings.
Come on.
It could be disease on that chicken wing.
You're trying to get the chicken.
It could be corona on that chicken. That's another baby dog. Oh, look at the dog. Meat and green.
Trying to get the freaking piece of chicken.
Chicken, she don't get it. Like, get it out of her sight. She might be trying to come play with the other dogs, but hey, dog. Let's go. Stop trying to eat. What is that?
They both trying to eat plants now.
They both trying to eat everything they see.
Being vegan.
Come here, girl. Drop it.
What dog is that?
A collie.
Oh, this is a Shih Tzu.
Yeah, I've had one. Had 15 years. She got old and died.
This one's 6 months.
Yeah.
I'm trying to find the dog. Everything she sees.
What the heck is that? It's flowing around like a butterfly. Oh, that's a huge bee. That's a bee. Oh, well, that's just a... whatever.
Say, I socialize. Let's go.
I'll go hush him mouth.
No, she sees another dog.
Yo!
And she's older than her. 2 months.
Look, smile.
She's embarrassing us.
How the heck is she embarrassing us?
Don't act like you ain't never seen a dog before.
She hasn't.
Jordan, she's seen like 3 different dogs before.
You don't know that?
Jordan, the big dog that we seen a few days ago. The dog we just seen
That was a puppy, Julian.
now. You know,
A
dog is-
puppy.
a puppy is still a dog.
You.
Come on, let's find her ball. Lord, it's just in the grass.
I'm trying to find the ball.
Look, another dog over there.
That's a huge dog. Do not let her go over there. Or do not. Or if the dog comes over here, then we need to move. Because she can't be with any big dogs. They're going to try to attack her.
Come on, let's run. Let's run around.
Yes, because we've been sitting in the one same spot for as long as I can remember.
I'm trying to find the ball before we go. I don't want to leave and we end up losing the ball on the way home.
Well, I mean, don't we have other balls? We have other balls that she can use. Coco, you need to poop or pee or something. So you don't poop in the house.
Oh, you're walking all over me. Okay?
Look, this tiny puppy versus this huge man.
Stop eating the grass, Coco. It's not that serious.
You're not vegan.
Even if you was, stop eating grass.
No, unless it's a salad.
Even if you was vegan, like, don't eat the grass.
Shut up.
Get her leash.
She's not gonna run away. She don't run away. Only when she see other people right next to her.
Come on, let's run around a bit more.
Come on, Coco. We're getting some exercise. We're not sitting out here. Yo.
Pull her away. Pull her.
Get away!
Up. Pull her where's like she go flying. Just tuggle her a little bit.
Am I dumb?
Let her know that
Come on.
it's not a good way to go. Come on.
Stop chilling in the grass. This is not your bed.
Let the leash go. I'm gonna run.
Another episode of Chasing a Dog. Or Dog Chase Man. I can't run. Hey, yo! Why do I have sweatpants and a jacket on in summer?
That's
mean,
exactly.
Basically summer, but it's not summer yet, but it's basically summer. Shut up! I'm asking the people. Not you.
You run around a bit.
Alright.
I ran around.
I'm scared. Yo! Yo!
Yo, speed up, cause you kicking her.
Yo, you fast!
Small break.
Stop eating my ankles. Yo! I'm gonna go rest on the donut. You take care of Coco. I'm gonna rest on here. Alright. What? What? Can I not chill here? Come on. Roll. No, Dylan, we have to stay out here for a little bit longer. It's going backwards. I'm about to fall. And I wasn't having any grip. What? Dylan, I'm tired. I've been running all day and I've been walking. You take that dog. There they are over there. My phone lags when it goes into times 8 mode. Alright. Oh. Using my shadow, I'm recording off of a phone, if you didn't know. Which is why I have a rectangle. Whoa! I know we're running around, you idiot. I'm taking a break. Plus, I need to record this. We've been here for 8 minutes because I came here and I started recording. Whoa! Except for the time when I was walking. But my mom didn't come. So, plus we're old enough to go to the park alone anyways. Whoa. Bro, I hate the noise. Where are you?
You clearly see me.
No, I don't. Oh, there you are. What is this noise? I'm upside down. My face is. Whoa! I just fell. Dylan? Coco? Hello. Yes, I've been recording for 9 minutes and 55 seconds. Your leash is on my leg.
You wanna go in the house now?
We just got out here, by the way.
No, we didn't. Jordan,
We've been out here for
like 20 minutes.
9 minutes.
Jordan,
9 minutes.
You just started recording.
No, I didn't.
How long have you been recording?
10 minutes.
Let me see. But you wasn't recording the entire time we got here.
I know he wasn't.
Which means we've been here more than 10 minutes.
It wasn't even that long, John.
Run around.
Shut up! Shut up! Alright, I'm done.
Yo, stop. She don't stop running like right behind us.
She gonna get kicked.
Because she gonna accidentally get kicked. When she start bleeding in her mouth, nobody fall but her.
You need to stop running so
If
fast,
you're gonna be
Coco.
running so fast, don't be right behind.
Uh-huh. So I'm trying not to run so fast because I'm trying to be cautious of where she is. Happy? She's coming. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna have to kick her. Jalen. She's in the dirt. She's not gonna go anywhere.
It don't matter. She's a dog and she sees another dog.
She's tired.
Alright, ready? I'm not gonna run around with her.
Go ahead. Coco? I'm gonna go join Jalen.
Please go.
No, cause she still see that dog. She won't
No,
run
she
after.
don't. She's not even
Uh-huh, she was looking at him.
She's not no more. She's not worried about the dog.
Look. Go ahead. Roam free.
Come on.
Yeah! Yo! Wait! No, look away.
Yeah, she's tired. See her
Go
tongue
ahead.
out.
Sleep.
She's breathing out her mouth. Grab her leash.
You better not. Come on, come sit down. I feel like this bench is dirty. I'm getting off. Go ahead. Chase after. Ugh.
I really want to find the ball.
She probably sees it all black and white. That's why she's probably so confused.
And Coco hit this somewhere.
What? Yo! Yo! Good. You better stay right at this bench. This is a checkpoint for you. You sleep. You sit down. Yo, stop chewing my braids. Hand sanitizer right here. I got my dog right here. My brother over there. And, you know, it's just a day where we get to show you guys when I... Come on, Coco. Alright, Joe, stop throwing it if she's not worried about it, because we're going to lose it again. Probably plants from her sitting. Stop eating plants.
Where's the ball?
You threw it. I told
I thought
you.
you picked it up.
I told you stop throwing it if she's not worried about it.
Legit.
Oh, here it is.
That's all you. Go up, then.
Here,
Nobody
John.
to blame but you.
Stop throwing it because you're going to lose it. She's not worried about it.
Birds are fine, but they need to cut this grass down a little bit.
Those look like orange plants. They look like oranges are about to grow. She's going to the grass. She's
She
following
sees
me.
another dog
Where?
over there.
She's following me.
Alright, let's go. Let's get out of here.
Whatever, John.
Don't you want to play Roblox and the nice
Shut
comfy
up.
bed?
I don't
And
care.
the nice cozy covers?
I don't care. I haven't been outside for hours.
outside for.
No, I haven't.
We've been outside for at least 20 minutes.
20 minutes and I haven't been outside for hours.
So we only can be out here.
I work.
Be out here.
All right, Jalen, come on. We're leaving. Get away from that chicken.
She sees. I'm telling you, it's because she see that dog over there.
Yo, no, because you see that chicken. Yo,
Pull her.
get away.
Give me the leash.
Give me the
Man strength. Get out of there.
Jalen, stop. Don't pull her too hard.
What do you mean? Don't pull.
I know how to pull a dog, but I don't pull them that far.
Not
Because
getting the chicken.
I don't pull them that hard because that can choke them. That's why I don't pull them
It's
that
a
hard.
harness. It's not going to choke them.
Dylan, it's going to send her flying, though, because you pulling her back all the way. It's going to send her
This
flying.
harness, because before, remember when we had her collar and she would escape every 2 seconds? I know she's hot because she already got a lot of fur and she got 2 layers of clothes.
She got
and a collar. I know
She got a New Year's dress. She got a harness. She got a collar.
I know
She got all this fur. She got to be hot, bro. That's 4 layers. But we just wearing the collar on her so she can.
I ain't doing that.
We just wearing the collar because she just wearing the collar because people will know it's not just a street dog and somebody owns the dog. Shut up. I know what I'm doing. I know the way home. Well, you guys shouldn't, so I'm just gonna pause the video. You know what? I'm just gonna give you guys another chance. Because she ate plants. That's why she's gagging. Stop. No. Stop picking up guns. No. Toy guns, to be exact.
Come on. Let's go run down there. Let's see if she's going to follow us.
But get away from other people. But if it... Oh, there's a dog over there. Make sure she don't see it. Another day in the life of a man chasing a dog. Or a dog.
Chasing man.
A dog chasing man. Episode coming tomorrow.
Man chasing dog.
Shut up, man.
A dog chasing man.
A dog chasing man.
Come on.
This should be a show on TV. A dog chasing man. Come on, Coco. We got our exercise. Now it's time to go back home.
Got our exercise. Now it's time to get in the house.
And you need some water. Because I can tell that you're hot.
I know she got
And you gotta be hot, bro. You gotta be hot. 24/7.
And I know you gotta be hot too.
I'm not hot. What do you mean?
How you got a whole sweatsuit on and it's kind of hot out here.
Kind of. At least it has a breeze. It has a breeze with it. What else do you think all these leaves are rustling?
Come start marking some territory.
Because the first thing you're going to do when you get in that house is pee on the floor. So mark some territory like you did yesterday and the day before.
Wait. When you get hit by a car, that's exactly why I said wait. You don't know what's happening. And if you get hit by a car, then you're going to have to get rushed to the freaking animal hospital.
No, Mom said
AKA
vets
the
are a
vet.
lot. Oh, that's a pit bull. Don't let her go. And plus, she's in the street.
Wait.
Oh my gosh, man.
Let's go.
Run.
Ignore the cat. Ignore the cat.
Ignore that cat now.
Cat is not worth
What time is it? It's
The
3:30.
second she see another
It's
animal,
time to get out of. If I was in school, it would have been time to get out of school. Minus tomorrow
that animal is not worried about you.
because we get out early. What? What are you talking about?
At least we don't have to bring in some big behind, heavy behind bikes.
You know, at least we don't.
I was thinking about taking my bike out, but then I realized we gonna have Coco,
We got Coco.
two
Mom
big behind bikes.
Mom isn't
and
here
it's
to
hot
hold
AF
her.
outside.
Mom isn't here to hold her, so no one will be able to hold her. So we're gonna have to,
She's like the second
not
she
able
sees
to-
something, she sniffs it.
so she can eat it.
Come on.
That's a bird over there. You should be chasing birds, Coco, not eating trash.
No, because if she chases birds, the birds are gonna be flying away. She's gonna be trying to chase it, and
No,
we're not gonna be able to catch up to her.
no, we're just gonna leave her on the leash.
What are they gonna do with this house? This house been abandoned for like what, 6-7 years now? Probably
People-
more than that. That
because
house been
people-
abandoned since we used to live around here.
Because, oh my goodness, it's not even a house. It's just a wall. It's not even a house.
Look, dust flying away from it.
It's old, John. What do you expect?
It's abandoned. It probably, yo, stop showing trash.
I remember the last time she was trying to eat a old cupcake when me and Mom was
You get sick, that's on you.
walking her.
Especially if it's not my fault.
Well, I don't think it was old, but it was like smushed. Like it was under car tires. She kept trying to eat it. It's not gonna be on our fault when she freaking throws up.
But you know she's a dog. And you know dogs are always greedy.
Yeah. And they trying to get used to the human world, so we have to sniff everything to find out what the heck it is. I'm so sorry. This house,
Get
this
used to the human
video
world. They
is
gonna be in the human
so
world for
freaking
eternity.
long. Not eternity, because they're gonna
The
die.
rest of their life.
They're gonna die, Dylan.
Yeah, the rest of their life.
Hush. All right. I'll see you when I get inside of the freaking house. What is that?
Nothing.
Dylan, what is it?
Nothing.
No, let me pause this video. We're home. So that was just a normal video of me walking my dog to the park every single day. That's exactly what it's like. All right, I'll see you.